Hello and welcome to this new course in which you will learn how to control anything, anywhere without internet and using Arduino. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. In this course, we will use Arduino and a DTMF module, and we will introduce this DTMF module in details to control anything that comes in your mind from anywhere without the need for an internet connection. The DTMF module gives the Arduino superpower and allows you to control anything in so many ways. The main objective of this course is to control the functioning of the industrial, agriculture, or even home application loads using wireless technology that doesn't require internet connection and that can be accessed anywhere. Only one cell phone is needed for this course, and we will explain everything in details. Now, what you will learn in this course. First, we will talk about DTMF, what is DTMF, how to implement it, and why it's important to know DTMF. Why using DTMF is better than GSM module or wireless internet-based controlling, and how to control anything, anywhere without internet, where you can use this project. We will explain the application circuit and simulation for this project. We will write a code to control anything, and we will make a PCB for the final project, and we will also introduce you to how to make an outer case for your project. So this will be a complete project based course. We will start with the basics of wireless communication using DTMF, then we will write our code, and from there we will make a PCB for our project, and we will create an outer case. We will cover every aspect of this project, so I'm sure that you will enjoy this course content. At the end, you will have a fully functional project that you can use and implement anywhere. Thanks for watching this quick introduction. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. See you inside.